Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how to create a Microsoft Teams meeting link in Outlook. So the first thing that you should do is you just have to log into your Outlook account. So currently I'm just using my web browser. Okay, and then after that, just have to log in. So right here at the left side of our screen, you have this calendar, you have the mail, the co-pilot, you have people. So just go to the calendar. And then after that, right here, you just have to select the date or the specific time that you want to create a meeting. So, for example, on October 2 at 8 p.m., you just have to simply click on that specific date. And then right here, just have to make sure that the Teams meeting is integrated with your Outlook. So when you see this option right here, of course, you have to toggle the switch on for this one. Then after that, you just have to add here the details of this meeting. So for example, CEO meeting. That's right. And then I just have to save this one. And then of course you have to add here your invitees or the people that you want to invite during the meeting. Okay, so just have to save it after that. And that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.